Welcome to GIS Learner. Subscribe our channel and like our videos to remain updated and learn. Thank you.
Welcome to another video on GIS learning. This is a video following the previous video in which we have learned how to add polygon features, line features and point features. Now we are going to symbolize these features and add some classifications to these features. As you know that you will see here we have added their names of features and type of features to easily symbolize and categorize these features. First we will go to the properties and then go to the symbology tab and then select the categories, select the value field you want to categorize. We are going to categorize the type of the value field, add all values, and here we can see it has categorized into 3 categories: the city, the passes and the peak. So we have a total 23 counting features, 8 for cities and 10 for passes and 5 for peaks. So here we are going to symbolize each feature accordingly. For example, for city we are going to select a circle. We will reduce its size and we can change the color from this tab. And for pass we are going here to select a suitable symbol from this selection. Let's say we are going to select any symbol like this. We will reduce the size to 15 or 14. Okay. Then for a peak we are going to select a symbol like this. So we will apply this and OK. So we have categorized these. Here you can see the symbols are a little bit larger, so we will reduce their size. You can reduce them here. Now we are going to the lines and this is the table, attribute table for lines. We have categorized into mountain ranges, hills and mountains and rivers. So 4 categories here we have total. We are going to classify these into different categories. Our value field will be class. We will add all the values, total 27 count values. So these are in the lines category. So first we will add the hills in such a way that they should seem like hills. And for mountain range we are going to add from this list. Let's say this will best suit mountain range and the hills will be a little bit, I think, smaller. Okay. Then for mountains we are going to change the symbol from here. Let's say we are going to add this one. And for rivers I think it's the best one. Just change the color. Okay, apply. Okay. Now we have populated a good list. Now for polygons we are going to change the properties and categories. We will select the type and add all values. Here we have different colors. You can select different features from this the whole list. We have a long list here. You can see like this. We are going to change for this one. Okay, we have changed here. That's all about the symbolizing and categorizing. We will further continue this tutorial for the layout of the map. That's all for today.